Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. This is actually just a quick update video because it's been 2 weeks since I last uploaded the other video, which was disassembling the wheel horse engine. And I apologize it's taking so long. It's actually not my fault this time. So, as some of you guys know, Labor Day was right around the corner when I disassembled that thing. And when I found out I needed to grind that crankshaft, Labor Day week was there. And I called every place and nobody was open. They were all on vacation. So I was forced to wait until next week, which is going to be tomorrow. When Monday is here, I'm going to call all these places and I'm going to see who can work on it. I hope that'll be soon. So that's why it's taking so long to make another video, and I apologize it's taking that long. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video because we will be assembling the wheel horse engine and starting it up for the first time with it being rebuilt. I'm looking forward to it very much. So if that was the only thing you were coming on this video to find out about, you can click off this video now. I'm fixing to talk about other things such as this car and the LTD. First we'll start with this car. So this is my 2013 Camaro LS. It's a V6, but it has a stick shift in it. Very fun car to drive. It's quick too. Not as quick as the V8 obviously, but you know, it's no slouch at all. In fact, it's probably faster than 50% of the normal cars out there. It'll keep up with pretty much anything. And I'll be making a video for you guys soon of some exhaust clips, acceleration. So now let's talk about the LTD. So the LTD has had some work done on it recently, specifically on the brakes. So a couple months ago, the brake booster went out on the LTD and it had no power brakes, obviously. So we had it towed to the shop. We were testing the problem. We pulled the vacuum hose out. The vacuum was very good on it.
Alright, this hose, this is your brake booster. This hose is your vacuum. So, what we gotta do is...
Oh, it's got vacuum for sure.
Yeah, it's got real good vacuum going to it.
Yeah, feel how hard that is.
Yeah, that is pretty hard. I'd say it's the booster too.
I think so. We tried to look for a new brake booster or a remanufactured one, but nobody had it in stock. I tried very hard to find one, but nobody had it in stock. I looked everywhere on the internet. So I sent it in to Rock Auto to get it rebuilt. And a couple days ago, I had received that rebuilt brake booster. We put it on there, I test drove it, and now it's back over here at home again. So the LTD is drivable again. So that'll do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the update. If you did, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you wish to follow the channel, please subscribe and ring the bell, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.